Hi everybody, this is TinkerCad Lesson 6B, and you're going to finish up your business card holder today, and I'm going to show you how to send me your files so I can grade it if you haven't joined the class, which was kind of difficult. I had to send everybody their own code on email, and that didn't really work. So, yeah, problems. Anyway, this will wrap up pretty quick, and I think this is going to be it for this week. I find myself being overwhelmed with stuff I have to do, and I want to give people a chance to catch up. And next week there will be something new. So try to get this 6B done for this week. Have it all correct. And if you have any trouble with it, let me know. Contact me, and we can work it out. What do you think of this hat? This is another pork pie. It's comfortable. It's kind of dressy. I don't have any reason to get dressed up anymore. All right, here we go. All right, so we're going to open up our last drawing, and you should have this done already. And just spin it around, look at it a little bit. I want to check the ruler tool to see my measurements. You can make sure your measurements are the same. The hole needs to be aligned with the center. So if you click on the hole and hold Shift key and hold down the parts, you can do the align tool and line it center. And all we're going to do to this to finish it up is dress it up a little bit with some text and a symbol. So I want to do that on the sloped ramp. So I'm going to choose a work plane up at the top right, and I'm going to click on the face of that so I get an angled work plane coming onto the face of this shape. And then I'm going to do the text tool, and I'm going to put it over on the face of this, and I'm going to slide it over a little bit to the left. Now up in the shape dialog box where you see the red dot and the lock, you can do that triangle, and that'll open it up. Maybe yours is open already, and change what's written in there. And I'm just going to be goofy and write in yeet because I'm a goon, right? All right, so there's my text. That was easy enough, right? Just make it fit. And then we're going to bedazzle it a little bit with some stars or a heart or whatever you want to put on there. So if you click on that and you still have that work plane selected, you can bring this in and just add it to that part of your shape. Make it all look right. Now you'll notice it's really thick. So if I grab the cone, if I go to the side, I can bring it down. I don't need that to stick up that far off the surface. Oh, I could grab both of them, and I don't want to do that. So I'm going to go back to the other side now and just grab the text. And like I said, you click on the cone shape to raise it up and down, and I'm just going to shrink it down a little bit. There you go. Now to put your work plane back, you just can click the work plane tool and click on the original work plane. There. All right. So that's the finished product. Now, the last thing I want to do is add, I guess it's not finished, I'm going to add a pencil holder on the side. So I'm going to bring over the tube shape, and I'm going to drag it over so it touches the side and it's attached, so that if I 3D print it, it'll be all one part. There you go. And I'm going to grab the cone and pull it up for pencil height. Not that high, but you get the idea. And I'm going to give it a diameter of a 1.25 or 1.25. And make sure it's touching it. It looks like it is. But what I want to do now is group this into one piece. And bring it in a little more. So remember to group. You can either drag your cursor over everything to select it, or you can hold the Shift key and select different things. And I think first I accidentally ungrouped it. There you go. Struggling a little bit here, but really you just want to have everything highlighted, and then hit the group tool at the top. Yeah, that's ungrouped. And there you go. Now it's grouped. It's all the same color, and you can tell it's good. So that's what I'm after. Now to let me know that I've got this, or you've got it done, if you export this think I'm going to make another video to show you how to do that. So there will be one more video this week that you can look at how to export and send me your file in email. There's been a lot of confusion with that, and that's on me. So I will post one more video probably tomorrow morning that just shows you how to send me your file, and then I can put your grades on the computer, make sure everybody's got their grades. All right. Thanks.